I'm at the site of the 2002 Winter Olympics, and I'm about to spend $4.79 per second for one of the coolest adventures of my life. I'm at Utah Olympic Park, the only place in the United States where you can ride an Olympic bobsled without being a contender for the Winter Olympics. I'm just outside Park City, Utah, and I'm going to make a bobsled run on the same track Olympic athletes competed on 22 years ago.
All right, guys, here we go.
There's a professional pilot up front, with me and two other passengers along for the ride of our lives. I'm the one in red, next to last in the sled.
I think we have a green light. Ask him.
All right, we're good.
We don't have to push off like Olympians. We just get a gentle nudge. Over the next 48 seconds, we'll hit speeds of up to 70 miles per hour and pull up to 5 Gs. As you get up to speed, adrenaline floods your system. Everything around you is moving fast. The G-forces tug at you from all angles, pulling you down into the sled as it races along the ice. There's virtually no space between you and the other riders, and I can't see a lot except the helmet in front of me. But I feel every bump and dip in the track, which rattles the sled and throws me around inside it. Gravity slows the sled as we head uphill to the end of our run. It seems like a shorter ride than it actually was. Tickets were $225, but worth every penny and every second of that ride. And on top of that, I got a 2-for-1 deal. Whether you're a thrill seeker or you're looking for some kind of special vacation experience, I guarantee you, you won't forget this for the rest of your life. And if you're not athletic, don't worry about it. I mean, just look at me. I did it. I'm Tex Turner, and I got a lot of stories for you. Stay tuned.